mint, cottage cheese, coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the cottage cheese recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the mint recipes and one of the most different of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make mint cottage cheese coconut milk stew. The ingredients are 200 grams of cottage cheese cut into small cubes, 25 grams of garlic, around half a spoon of caraway seeds, one spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 3 red chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 4 sprigs of mint leaves, 25 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in tin of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in put in the fennel seeds, coriander seeds, and the shallots. Thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. This procedure should be performed for around 5 minutes. mixture can be taken off the flame and let to cool. Now put in the mixture after it cools down into the grinder and close and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the mint leaf and the tomato pieces. Combination of the mint and the onion and the shallots. Thoroughly. Thoroughly saute mix. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the cottage cheese pieces or cottage cheese cubes. Into the mixture. Mix well. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix in the salt. salt. Now pour in 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 7 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker or instant pot, or 20 minutes if in an open pan. After the required amount of cooking, the mint cottage cheese coconut milk stew is ready. Put some mint leaves on top, green chilli, mix, cook for 1 more minute and take off the flame and serve. This is the final mint cottage cheese coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the cottage cheese recipes, one of the most different of the mint recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.